The iPhone 17 Pro Max is amazing. Apple built it as a major leap forward. And yes, it's sleek, powerful, and polished. But after just a few days of use, familiar frictions start creeping in. The eSIM-only design becomes a headache when you want to switch carriers or add a second line. Satellite? Still limited mostly to SOS and texts rather than everyday calls. Repairs? You're battling parts pairing, and if you're not on the Pro models, wired transfers feel sluggish when you're trying to move photos off the phone in a hurry. That's the gap Tesla is aiming to close with the upcoming Tesla Pi phone. Instead of chasing specs for bragging rights, this phone is built around practical, long-haul usability. Think dual-lane connectivity, cellular for your daily grind, and Starlink satellite coverage when towers go down, or when you're out in the wild. It's a design that's deliberately repair-friendly. Local shops can service it without penalties or disabled features. And USB 3 by default across the lineup, so moving gigabytes of video files is quick and painless. The kicker: a price point of just $257 with a target release in 2026. This isn't about another shiny flagship. It's about a workhorse that lasts. So how does Tesla's Pi phone keep you connected when your regular signal disappears? The phrase is simple: no signal, no panic. When you've got coverage, it uses 5G. When you don't, it switches seamlessly to Starlink's direct-to-cell network. The vision is to wipe out dead zones on highways, mountain trails, lakes, even coastal stretches, without needing bulky satellite antennas. After major U.S. storms in 2024, regulators reported tower outages as high as 22% in North Carolina and over 12% in Florida. When the power grid goes down and backhaul fails, the Pi phone leans on Starlink to keep you sending messages and sharing locations. Globally, only about 55% of the population had 5G by late 2024, with massive gaps between cities and rural areas. That's exactly where Tesla's Starlink integration makes the difference. Remote work, long drives, camping trips, or just resilience during a blackout. But the Pi phone isn't just about staying connected. It's about staying powered up. Tesla is also tackling durability and ownership costs head-on. The Pi phone comes with a user-replaceable battery, standard screws, modular flex cables, and clear repair manuals. Battery swaps? 10 minutes. USB-C port replacement? Just a daughter board, another 10 minutes. Screen replacement? 20-30 minutes with basic tools. And here's the genius move. They include a 4-screw survival kit right in the box, complete with screwdriver, spare gasket, and adhesive ring. An AR guide walks you through the process step by step, even testing water tightness after repair. Compare that to mailing your iPhone for days and paying hefty out-of-warranty fees, and the Tesla Pi phone looks refreshingly simple. Tesla is also rethinking longevity. Instead of annual feature churn, the Pi phone focuses on long-term stability. You get background security updates on time and major OS updates at a calmer pace with support planned for 7 years. Smart charging keeps your battery healthier for longer, capping daily charging at 80–90% and only hitting 100% when your travel schedule demands it. Cooling is managed by a vapor chamber to keep lithium cells below 45 degrees Celsius, extending their lifespan well past Apple's benchmark of 500 to 1,000 cycles. And let's not forget digital comm. Spam calls are filtered by default. Only trusted numbers get through. Everything else lands in a spam inbox with transcripts. Privacy can be toggled with one switch, blocking background microphones, passive Bluetooth scans, and unnecessary network traffic. AI runs locally on the device to summarize texts, schedule tasks, and filter notifications without draining the battery or sending data to the cloud. The result? A phone that feels like it works for you, not against you. At the end of the day, the iPhone 17 is brilliant in cities with strong 5G where Apple's polish really shines. But resilience in storms, rural stretches, or power cuts? That's where Tesla's Pi phone takes the edge. With a price tag of just $257, repair-friendly design, 7 years of updates, and Starlink-powered connectivity, this phone is less about hype and more about survival, longevity, and peace of mind. So here's the question for you. How important is no signal, no panic to your daily life? Would you rank longer battery life, easier repairs, or fewer disruptive updates as the top priority? Drop your answers in the comments, and let us see where the Tesla PiPhone fits in your world. If you want straight facts before you buy, hit subscribe to help us reach 225,387 subscribers, and ring that bell so you don't miss the next update. The Tesla PiPhone isn't just another device, it's a survival tool, a practical companion, and maybe the first true long-haul alternative to the iPhone.